looking like I did when I was 16 years old. Look at that. I'm about to be 50 in 3 months. I have the neck of my 16-year-old self and the jawline and my lip. Actually, the whole thing. I came to Dr. Talei because I stopped looking like myself. I looked way older than how I felt inside. I've been a little bit stalking Dr. Talei for a few months on the internet, just checking out all his videos and watching everything. I thought, it is time. It is just time. So I went and he said everything that I needed to hear and talked about everything I wanted done and my concerns about my look. It was so easy.
We did the upper eyelids, the lip, face and neck, and the earlobe, so it doesn't have that little double thing that it had. The eyes just look a little softer, kind of like they were before. The neck is better. People don't understand how different the Cupid Lift is. The entire sides of your lip are missing, and then now it's back. Looking at this photo over here, you have exposure all along the upper lip. That lip is completely restored to how it was. The mouth just kind of looks sexier all around too, and this is without any volume added. The other cool thing is the buccal fat grafting. We took buccal fat out from both sides over here, and here you see where it's round, and that slimmed your face. So that's also why you look like you lost some weight. Took it and made little tiny pockets of fat grafts around the lateral cheek, under eye, and then what we call the pre-jowl sulcus. So now you have that smooth jawline here. Under eye looks a little more arrested. Never throw away the valuable fat. If you reposition it, you can still keep the face looking supported as well as fresh and aging well. And here you can see those eyes. All we did was trim the excess that was hidden in there. Close your eyes. Let me see. Yep, looks perfect. Open your eyes. Yay.
I'm really very, very happy. I couldn't recommend Dr. Talei more to people. And the tired, beat up look is gone. If you want to do this for yourself, do it. It's worth it. It's totally worth it. I finally look like me again.